हो रहा है कुछ तो देखूं टीवी पे क्या चल रहा है। आजकल टीवी भी देखता नहीं मैं। ओह, ये तो सुना है। अरे बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बच्चों, आपको पता है ये मेघा कैसे बरसी? नहीं, मेघा किसी लड़की का नाम नहीं है। यहाँ पे हम सीख रहे हैं कि वाटर साइकिल के बारे में। सो व्हाट इज वाटर साइकिल एग्जैक्टली? लेट्स लर्न अबाउट इन डिटेल। सो हियर वी गो विद अ ग्रेट enthusiasm. Hello, Bacha Buddy. As we mentioned, we are going to talk about what? Yes, you can see over there something is there. Yes, water. And that we're going to talk about the water cycle. So what is exactly water cycle? Nothing but the change of the water state, right? So what is exactly? Let's learn with a simplicity. Okay. So when you talk about the water cycle, first point is there. You can see over there. What is there? Sea. Exactly. The ocean. A lot of water is there, right? Lot amount of water is there, ample amount of water is there in the sea, but can we drink it? No, definitely not. So ऐसा क्या हो जाता है कि that water comes like a rain? That is a water cycle. So here when you talk about something like here you can see evaporation takes place. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Water vapors form हो रहे हैं. So what is water vapor? The water is actually converting the water liquid state into the vapor. That's called evaporation. Exactly correct. What is that? Evaporation. The first step in a water cycle is what? Evaporation of water. So what happened exactly? The liquid water, you can see there, right? And what is happening? The vapors are coming. Means the water earlier in a liquid state, that is going to convert into what? Into the vapor state. What is that? Evaporation. Now what happened after the evaporation? The water vapors goes up to the limit. About 10 kilometer, yes, exactly here, about 10 to 15 kilometer above from the sea, where the climate goes, climate, or we can say the temperature goes down, where the water vapor is now going to condense, and that process is called exactly condensation. You can see there a cloud over there. So condensation, the water vapor now come together, the cloud is going to form, and that is called condensation. Now after condensation what happen exactly? अब बहुत ज्यादा पानी पियोगे तो कहाँ जाओगे? Obviously वॉशरूम जाओगे. क्यों? Saturated हो गया, right? Similar way, if the water vapor is continuously getting condensed over there in the cloud, one point reach, जैसे कि हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि बादल का कलर व्हाइट है लेकिन जब भी बारिश गिरती है तभी काला काला हो जाता है. What is that actually? That is the transformation of the saturated one. What is saturated one? Water content ज्यादा होगा लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है? वाटर वेपर कंटेंट ज्यादा हो गया एक पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पे जाके. नाउ इट्स गोइंग टू फॉर्म अ रेन. सो कैसे? वाटर कंडेंसेशन, कंडेंसेशन के बाद क्या आएगा? प्रेसिपिटेशन. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रेसिपिटेशन? नाउ हियर इन इवेपोरेशन वी टॉक अबाउट वाटर लिक्विड कन्वर्टेड इनटू द वाटर वेपर. That vapor goes, condensation occurs, again it's going to form into the liquid. So that is a precipitation. So precipitation can be formed into the water. Exactly, that is बारिश गिरी है, right? बस हो रही मेगा मेगा. But in हिमाचल प्रदेश वहाँ पे तो सर स्नो होता है, हेल होता है. वो क्या है? वो भी फॉर्म है precipitation का. तो precipitation found in the three forms: the water, the second one is the snail, and the hail. Storm like that thing. So this is a water cycle over there. सर साइकिल कहाँ से आई? अरे बच्चों, सर्कुलेशन तो हो रहा है ना कंटिन्यूअसली. एनर्जी नाइदर बी क्रिएटेड नॉर बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. सिमिलर है, वाटर भी क्या हो रहा है? कंटिन्यूअसली क्या हो रहा है? साइकिल में जा रहा है कि नहीं? दैट इज दी वाटर साइकिल. तो इजी हो गया ना पढ़ने के लिए. तो कैसे करेंगे? पहले क्या होगा? इवेपोरेशन, condensation, precipitation. These three steps are very, very important. So evaporation occurs not only from the sea. Any water bodies can responsible for the evaporation of the water that goes up to the certain limit. The temperature goes down, condensation occurs, and after condensation there is a precipitation. So three steps are very, very important in a water cycle. So it is easy to learn, right? Now here we completed the water cycle. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye.